One of the hardest things about owning a car in Honolulu is to find someone that will maintain it and that will repair your car when it breaks down. GT Mobile Service is the answer. They do general repairs, electrical work, air conditioning, troubleshooting, and computer diagnostics. They are honest, reliable, and trustworthy. GT Mobile Service, 242 Libby Street, 753-9300. They are ASE certified. Their mechanics know what they're doing. They're willing to talk to you and help you to make sure your car doesn't break down again. That's GT Mobile Service, 242 Libby Street, Honolulu, Hawaii, 753-9300. That's GT Mobile Service, 753-9300. Give them a call. You'll be glad you did. 753-9300. This video was created by Hawaii Business Videos, hawaiibusinessvideos.com.